Ukrainian FPV pilots, fiber-optic systems, thermal-equipped night units. They don't stop, they don't rest, and they don't miss. This is raw combat footage from the front lines. Russian infantry, shelters, command posts, communications hubs, even a Tor air defense system, all destroyed by precision drone strikes. First, let's talk about the new weapon changing the battlefield. Fiber-optic drones. No radio signals, no GPS jamming, no electronic warfare. A thin fiber-optic cable connects the drone to the operator. Thousands of meters of cable, unspooling as the drone flies. The signal cannot be intercepted, cannot be jammed. Russian electronic warfare is useless against these drones. The only way to stop them, shoot them down. But good luck seeing a drone flying at treetop level. This next footage is haunting. A Russian soldier, hiding under a tree, thinking no one can see him. But the drone's thermal camera sees everything. Heat signature, body temperature, movement. The soldier looks up. He knows he's been spotted. He gives up. Hands raised. But war has no mercy. The drone strikes anyway. This is the reality of modern combat. You cannot surrender to a machine. Russia is also using robots, unmanned ground vehicles, designed to transport supplies, evacuate wounded, even attack. But Ukraine's FPV pilots don't discriminate. If it moves on Russian side, it's a target. Watch as an FPV drone closes in on a Russian ground-based robotic system. One hit, the robot is destroyed. Metal and electronics scattered across the field. Machines killing machines. This is the future of war. Night operations, thermal cameras. This is when Ukrainian drones are most deadly. The enemy cannot see them, cannot hear them. One moment, a Russian soldier is resting in a trench. The next moment, a 5-inch drone is 5 meters away. They never see it coming. The Phoenix unit, the SIGNUM Battalion, the Sirius drone battalion. Night after night, they hunt. A Russian Tor air defense system, one of the most advanced mobile anti-aircraft systems in the world, designed to shoot down drones, planes, and missiles. But it has a blind spot. The GUR International Legion's Revenge Tactical Group found it. An FPV drone approached from the side. The Tor never had a chance. One strike. Millions of dollars of Russian technology destroyed by a drone that costs less than a used car. Ukrainian intelligence identified a Russian command post. Officers inside. Communications equipment. Maps. Plans. The 22nd Mechanized Brigade's Yildiz Battalion sent 2 drones, one for the front door, one for the back. Double strike. The entire position collapsed. Communication hubs, command and control, gone. Without officers, the soldiers on the front line are blind. Mid-May 2026, the drone war continues. Fiber-optic systems that can't be jammed. Thermal cameras that see through darkness. Precision strikes that never miss. The Phoenix unit, SIGNUM, Yildiz, Omega Wings, Sirius, GUR Revenge. They hunt so Ukraine can survive. Subscribe for weekly combat footage.